Hello, today we will think about how to film a scene of passing by an alien planet. By using certain verbs, you can approach the planet as if landing or crashing. Some verbs can give you a footage of simply passing by, or you could even orbit the planet. What I am showing now is from Flow TV, but my goal is to create something that magnificently passes through a planet, not these buildings. However, when you actually try, it may not produce the desired result. What I am showing now is something that came out reasonably well after I tried dozens of times. So I will test different verbs. I will test different verbs with the goal of creating a shot that passes by the alien planet you see now. Let's try creating a scene where the planet is on the left and we pass by to the right. The verbs I will use in this video are moves fast through, charges through, swoops through, pivots through. What you see on the screen now are the 4 prompts I will use, including the extra, so there are 5. I will include them in the video description. If you look at what I emphasized, you can see what kind of movement I am expecting. One thing to be careful of is that if you describe the camera movement, the footage often doesn't come out as intended, or it comes out the opposite way, or shows an unexpected subject. The most important thing is to describe what should be seen for 5 seconds. So, not what the camera does, but to describe what you want to see. So at first, a blue alien planet appears on the left. It grows larger while being pushed left and disappears. And depending on how I move, you see the vast universe. I tried inputting the planet image as the first image and seeing how it changes, but the result wasn't good, so I will try a safer method. The model is Veo2 fast. If you start with the concept that the camera zooms in, it is highly likely to fail. Or it may look like it's about to crash into the planet. Or as you see here, it briefly moves away and then comes closer again. And if there is too much description, unnecessary starlight appears excessively. In Veo2, if you say zoom out, sometimes it actually zooms in. Strange but true. So I don't recommend zoom in or zoom out. The safest method is what I am showing now, inputting the first image and the last image. This is the first image. And this is the last image. The result comes out very safely. First, I tried using move fast through. Since it's an image that seems to flow, I used sweeping cinematic shot, and as you can see, it passes by. Second, wanting it to pass faster, I changed sweeping to blazing, but it starts slowly and speeds up later. It's scientifically correct, but it doesn't pass at blazing speed as much as I expected. Third, to give a feeling of diving down, I use the expression swoops, but there's not much difference. There's not much difference, right? Fourth, let's see how it changes when we use pivot through. Again, not much difference. Let's see how it changes when we give only the first image. Let's look at the differences. Number 1. It just adds something random, right? Number 2. It comes out properly. Number 3. It's going somewhere unintended. Number 4. Number 4 also moves away. It's not working well. The conclusion is, if you give the first and last image, it comes out as intended but looks ordinary. If you give only the first image, the result doesn't come out as intended at all in the latter part. The present participle adjective blazing and the verb charge through work the best. Finally, this is the extra prompt I used, assuming it's an action camera. It came out better than I expected, so I'm showing it. Could it be that the action camera works well? Let's look into this type a bit more next time. Next time I will try to make the movement a bit wilder. Thank you.